AI is making some Gen Z rich and others invisible, but nobody tells them which door they are choosing. They already had rent, debt, and impossible expectations. Then AI arrived, promising opportunity while deleting entry-level jobs. So why are some beginners winning faster than experts? The winners did not wait for permission to learn. They stopped showing resumes and started showing proof. One weekend project suddenly looked stronger than 4 internships. Suddenly, the degree mattered less than adaptability. But the same tools were quietly eating routine work. Millions applied online, while algorithms decided who existed. Every missed month made rent feel like a countdown. Then, some discovered AI was not a job. It was a multiplier for whoever already had skill. That split created the strangest economy Gen Z has seen. Projects became the bridge over the experience problem. The real question changed from employee to operator. But focus became harder when every hustle screamed opportunity, and the window to adapt started closing faster. Because AI rewards builders but replaces repeaters first. The job market did not disappear. It changed language, and people who understood that language suddenly looked valuable. Even good salaries felt weak against modern American expenses. Then AI made one person look like a team. That made workers powerful, but also easier to replace. The winners built moats machines could not copy. AI could generate answers, but judgment still created value. Clients did not pay for tools, they paid for outcomes. The new career ladder started with visible proof. Learning moved faster outside institutions than inside them. That speed gap became terrifying for slow learners. But fast learners followed one simple loop. They learned one problem, built one useful system, then they sold the result, not the process. But once it worked, everyone copied the same playbook. The gold rush quickly became a crowded marketplace. So taste became the hidden advantage nobody taught. The money moved toward people with clear opinions. AI could copy templates, but not personal direction. And that difference decided who got rich next.
The breakthrough came when generic work stopped impressing anyone. AI did not hide weakness, it exposed it faster. The shortcut worked only after the fundamentals existed. Money followed 3 things: problems, taste, and distribution. One public project could attract more than applications ever did. The safest place was not broad, it was specific. The boring problems often paid better than flashy ideas. A plumber needed leads, not another AI philosophy. The offer changed from knowledge to measurable value. But value meant nothing until strangers trusted them. The viral myth faded. Consistency became the real shortcut. They documented results before asking anyone for attention. Proof opened doors that confidence alone never could. They ignored hype and studied expensive problems instead. The dividing line was not technology, it was decisions. Speed without judgment only created faster mistakes. The machine had power, but humans still chose direction. The better question was not can, but should. The shift was from using tools to owning systems. And that choice changed everything about their future. The richest Gen Z workers stopped chasing every tool. They asked one colder question before learning anything new. What problem becomes painful enough to pay for? That question turned noise into a simple filter. Suddenly, AI felt less magical and more practical. First, they chose one market they understood personally. Then they listened for complaints hiding inside normal conversations. Then they built tiny solutions before building big brands. Every result became proof, and proof became trust. But getting paid meant nothing if lifestyle swallowed everything.
They avoided looking rich before actually becoming stable. Extra income became fuel, not proof of status. Their advantage compounded quietly while others kept restarting. The safest identity was not prompt engineer, but problem solver, because tools change, but trusted people stay valuable. AI was never the villain or the savior. It simply rewarded the person holding the wheel. The path was simple: learn, build, then show. Your proof becomes the resume machines cannot erase. AI replaces repeaters, but it amplifies real builders.